Dropshipping is one of the most popular business in online market. As the video title says, I'll showcase the most popular dropshipping service providing companies. By watching this video, you will understand what features are important to establish a profitable dropshipping business. If you're thinking having only fast shipping can help you to grow your dropshipping business, then you are wrong, buddy. There are other things that you must have to succeed in this business. We'll explore few companies that provide dropshipping service and we'll see what they have offered, and in the end of this video you will get your dream dropshipping supplier. So without wasting more time, let's dive in. The first supplier on my list is Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a marketplace similar to Amazon and it is so popular among dropshippers. On Aliexpress, various supplier and manufacturer list their products for sale directly to consumer. However, it's also widely used as a dropshipping supplier because it offers extensive range of affordable products and ships worldwide. Many entrepreneurs use AliExpress to source the products and then list them into their own online store. However, the problem with AliExpress is a slow shipping time and less support from supplier. Finding a reliable supplier on AliExpress is tough. If somehow you manage to find the right supplier, you can get all types of product from single supplier. If you want to start white label dropshipping business, this isn't possible with AliExpress. When you use AliExpress as your supplier, your customer will find out they have received the product from AliExpress, not from your store, and they won't buy any product from your store again. So instead of using AliExpress, take a look at my second supplier that fulfills the most of your dropshipping needs. CJ Dropshipping is a versatile platform with huge range of products across different categories. If you ever struggle to find the right item, you can still source from AliExpress through CJ Dropshipping, making it a flexible option. Plus, it integrates with any e-commerce store, which is super convenient. One standout feature is its mobile app, allowing you to easily manage your store on the go. A big win for busy dropshippers. But let's talk about the downsides. The standard shipping time is pretty slow, around 25 to 30 days, though it's usually cheaper. While some products can be delivered in just 5 to 10 days, this isn't consistent, which makes it tough to choose the reliable products for your business. CJ Dropshipping has some premium features like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but these do come with an extra price tag. And while it's packed with the features, beginner might find interface a bit tricky to navigate. So it's a powerful tool, but with a few trade-offs to keep in mind. Next supplier on my list is Sourceinbox. It offers a wide variety of products across different categories, so you'll have plenty of options to keep your customer happy. Plus, competitive pricing helps you to maximize those profit margin. Always a good thing. Sourceinbox integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Shopplaza, making it super convenient to use. One of the best parts, the interface is really user-friendly, so if you are new to dropshipping, you'll have no trouble navigating and finding products. However, it's not without its drawback. One major issue is longer shipping time, which can frustrate customer and impact your repeated purchase. Another downside is inconsistent product quality. There have been quite a bit negative feedback from customer about receiving the poor quality products. So while Sourceinbox have some great features, make sure to weigh the pros and cons before dive in. 𝗀𝗃𝗃 is my next popular dropshipping supplier. It is well known for offering carefully selected high-quality dropshipping supplier in US and EU. 𝗀𝗃𝗃 mainly works with carefully chosen high-quality suppliers. This helps build customer trust by providing reliable products. You can even order the product sample directly from the dashboard with few clicks. 𝗀𝗃𝗃 integrates with all your favorite e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and so on. It offers wide variety of premium and simple products across different categories. You can even source the product directly from AliExpress. 𝗀𝗃𝗃 also offers white label products, but unfortunately it comes with cosmetic and beauty products only. However, 𝗀𝗃𝗃 comes with some drawback as well. It has few suppliers, especially when it comes to global fulfillment option. This might limit the variety of products you can offer, since their focus is mostly on US and EU suppliers. While 𝗀𝗃𝗃 offers fast shipping for some products with higher shipping cost, the most products takes 15 to 30 days to ship to the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia, with the shipping cost up to $26. 𝗀𝗃𝗃 focus on high quality supplier usually lead to high product cost, which can lower your profit margin. This makes it harder to stay profitable in this business, and it is where many beginner dropshippers struggle and eventually give up. Zendrop is the last supplier on my list. 𝗀𝗀 provides top-level dropshipping services that cover everything you need to run a profitable dropshipping business. Whether it's shipping time, product quality, or customer support, they offer more than you can imagine. 𝗀𝗀 controls its supply chain in China with 300+ employees working directly with manufacturers. Unlike competitors like CJ Dropshipping, 𝘀𝗁𝗵𝗋, 𝗀𝗄𝘁, 𝗀𝗀 manages the fulfillment, allowing them to offer faster quote, better product sourcing, and more competitive prices. The product catalog has millions of products to choose from, making it great for beginners to start selling the viral products. The trending product section updates weekly, which is very helpful. They also offer hundreds of use-based products with 2 to 5 days shipping time. If you can't find the product in the product catalog, the product sourcing expert team will find the product for you at best price available in the market and add it to the 𝗀𝗀 product catalog for you to start selling right away. 𝗀𝗀 is the only US-based company with operating in China. This allows them to offer 24/7 live chat support, responding to the request under a minute. And they provide a simple and convenient return and refund policy. If a 𝗀𝗀 user needs to refund a customer for any reason, 𝗀𝗀 will refund them as well, no question asked. This is very beneficial for dropshipping merchants. This trustworthy return and refund policy is not available on Aliexpress, CJ Dropshipping, 𝘀𝗁𝗵𝗋, and 𝗀𝗄𝘁. Additionally, they offer automatic daily fulfillment features. In the order section, top up your credit balance and they will handle all the fulfillment themselves. Just sit back and relax and let your dropshipping business run on autopilot. 𝗀𝗀 has a branding feature that allows sellers to include custom branded thank you card with each order, regardless of how large their business is. Another best thing about 𝗀𝗀 is once users reach 10 orders per day, 𝗀𝗀 will provide custom quote and assign a dedicated quoting agent and account manager. 𝗀𝗀 Select program allows for a custom branding and packaging without a subscription fee so that they can turn into a true brand. 𝗀𝗀 offers live weekly coaching calls for 1 hour, covering topics like ads, scaling store, and store audits. These sessions, part of 𝗀𝗀 Academy, are recorded and available for later viewing. You won't find these incredible features with other dropshipping suppliers. To get started with 𝗀𝗀, just click the first link in the video description, which will take you to their website. On this page, you have to type your email and your card detail and click on Start Free Trial button and grab your 𝗀𝗀 Plus account. The best part is, if you use my link, you will get $200 in order credit, priceless e-commerce courses that will make you an expert in your e-commerce business. Additionally, after your trial ends, you will get 50% off for 3 months, which is amazing. Additionally, you will get automatic fulfillment feature, live weekly coaching calls, and more. If you don't use my link and go directly to 𝗀𝗀 website, here you have to pay $79 per month after your trial ends, as you can see. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab your 𝗀𝗀 Plus account. That's the end of this video. Make sure to let me know in the comment section which dropshipping supplier you like the most. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more dropshipping videos. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.